Hello and welcome back to another one of our DIY how-to videos. So today we're going to be replacing a damaged uPVC window handle.
Right, so what do you need to replace it? Posi drive head, drill or screwdriver. You want something long and thin. I'll go in the holes and attach to the window. There might be a cap, some of these that fit over these screws. You just need to hook it out, pull them off. There's normally two. Try and put the window handle in the up position like this. It makes life a lot easier. And literally those are screwed into the window. Take them out, two of them out, okay? Now, just save you a load of grief, if these are okay, hang on to them and reuse them. When you get your new handle, it will have new bolts, yeah, but you've already got them, so what's the point of messing about? We'll keep them for something else.
Oh, you cut, so I didn't actually cut these bolts down to the size you need, but that's why it saves you time. You need a hacksaw.
Bolts are fine. With the new handle, you'll get a key, unlock it and put it in the up position, so that's facing the ceiling, the handle, and you can see both holes, yeah. In there you'll get a selection of, I don't know what you call these, but they're just bars, locking bar I'd call them, yeah. What you want to do, take your old handle off, find the one that looks similar, because that black bit pushes in. There's about 4 of them there. Push that in, that's literally as easy as it is. And then if you look into your lock in the middle there, you probably can't see that, that's where this bit goes into. Make sure it's in the unlock up position though, and then do that. Using the old screws because you know they're going to go in. Says. Just tighten up a little bit. Screwdriver or drill, whatever you need. There you go, we will give that a clean in a minute. This is just for the purposes of this video. And then with everything else comes a little new cap, 2 holes, you can see the 2 holes there, and that just pushes in like that. It's a bit fiddly that, but we'll do that in a minute I think. Anyway, there's your lock, so we'll push that in when it's closed, key locked. So we've got 2 little holes there we've been left there.
Yeah.
What we'll do with that, for people who aren't aware of it, it's a product called Milliput. It comes in black, grey and white. Just get a little bit and put it in there and you won't even see that. Let it dry and scrape it off with a...
Where did you get the handle from and how much did it cost?
Right, screw fix again, it's about £7, and the handle there is, what was the make of this? It's just a generic handle. Mila clip-in spindle. Comes with fitting instructions if you need them, but you can see how easy it is to swap off. So I'll just give that a clean up in a minute. So save yourself on the locksmith. Yeah, literally, what did that take? Two minutes if that. Real easy job, just take your time. New handle, especially if you've lost your keys, they're easy to fit. Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a simple thing to do. Obviously, thanks for watching. We just want to make a quick video in case for anybody out there that's unsure about how to do these things, then as you can see, it's easy enough and you learn a bit when you do things. Yeah,
but just make sure when you're fitting it, your handle is in the up position to get both your screws in. I'll put the cap on there now. That's basically it. New handle secured with a key in it so we can lock it.
Right, thank you very much for watching. See you again soon.